Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this incredible Audi TTS Tronic Quattro. Now this vehicle is currently done 42,678 miles and it's finished in the colour Brilliant Black. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your LED headlights. These light up the road extremely well, giving you great visibility at night. You have a nice honeycomb grille there. Now around to the side, it does sit very nicely on the 19-inch alloy wheels. You have your indicator integrated into the door mirror, which is finished in a nice contrasting silver. Really complements the vehicle and adds to the sporty premium feel of it. You do have two rear seats and there are ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And there is also an ISOFIX point on the front passenger seat here as well, so you can put the child seat into the front as well. Now to the rear, you have your TTS badge in there on the tailgate with your quad exhaust. Open up the boot. You do have a very nice amount of boot space here. You can easily fit a few weekend bags in there if you're planning on heading away on a nice trip. This is an ideal vehicle when taking trips throughout the UK or even to France, for example. It's a very fun vehicle to drive. Now here inside at the front, you have your leather multifunction flat bottom steering wheel with the TTS badging at the bottom. You have your front seats here and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You do have electric adjustment and the seats look incredible with the diamond quilted stitching. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Audi has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them protected. Very handy when parking on narrow roads, for example, as you can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. With your heating, you can quickly defrost or demist them so you can see clearly to the rear. Now you do have automatic headlights as well as wipers, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and ensure you don't lose concentration, just purely making adjustments to them. You have some controls here on the steering wheel, including here you have your digital cockpit that doubles as your infotainment screen as well. You have your cruise control here, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. It's very handy for those longer motorway journeys. It's very straightforward to set up. And now here you do have your controls. You can make adjustments to the display here. You can flick through your standard driving information, such as your miles to the gallon. And here you can use the scroller for your infotainment system. Here you can see your menu, and on this you can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM. You can easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle, and with DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you do love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clear. It's very straightforward to use as well. You do have your media where you can connect your own source of audio. You do have USB and auxiliary input along with a SD slot. You also have Bluetooth audio as well. Of course, with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls you may have. You do also have your navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost. You can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. Having all the information displayed here on your digital cockpit is great, as you don't have to take your eyes too far off the road when making adjustments, or if you need to check the guidance if you're following it. It's extremely handy and it makes the dashboard more minimalistic. You can see there you can change the view of the map by using the scroller to zoom in and out. You do also have your Audi Connect there. You also have some vehicle settings you can access with the MMI. And here you have your standard vehicle information as well. Can also access here different options as well you can display, including your Audi Drive Select. You have your individual, dynamic, auto, comfort and efficiency. These change how the vehicle will perform and handle depending on your driving mood, so you can enhance your driving experience with this. And as well with your individual, you You can set up your own preferences to this. As you can see, you have your options for the engine and gearbox, your suspension control, your steering, along with the Quattro system as well. You also have your driver assist features with your lane keeping assist. This can detect when you're starting to drift out of your lane and alert you so you can correct this, so you don't end up moving out of your lane and colliding with other road users, for example. It's an extremely modern feature, and it does look extremely smart as well. Now as well, when you select the reverse gear, you do have a reverse camera along with front and rear parking sensors. This gives you added confidence when parking in tighter spaces, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see. Now let's move on into the centre of the dashboard. You have your air conditioning controls. They're all inputted into the air vents, which is a very nice, sleek feature. You also have your heated seats, so you can keep nice and warm. You have 3 different temperature options, so you can keep nice and cozy and forget all about the cold outside. You have your buttons there as well for defrosting the front and rear windscreen. You can spin the vents around to change where the air will blow towards. You have some buttons here as well. You have your parking sensor button along with the button for your pop-up spoiler. It pops up when you reach 75 miles an hour and can retract back down again at 50 miles an hour. And that button there keeps it up. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi TTS Tronic Quattro. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have Rac Extended Warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.